Masked Bacon here with Little Nature 101. When in the middle of nowhere, you gotta be really careful of wild creatures. What? Oh no! What's that? Look there. We got a wild washing machine in the grazing on grass. Now these creatures are very hostile, so you've got to tread lightly when going near them or around them at all. They will do anything to wash your clothes. I'm gonna go in for a little closer peek. Look at that. We're gonna try to get alongside it, blindside it a little bit. We're gonna just sneak around and see if we can get really close to it. Now remember, these are very hostile creatures, so we gotta be extremely careful when approaching it, because if we make one wrong move, it could. Oh no! Oh no! Oh! It's getting me! I can't get away! Okay. The washing machine, it got my clothes. I couldn't do anything about it. Like I said, they do anything. But on the plus side, in about 45 minutes, I will have nice clean linen and it'll smell really nice. That's been your Nature 101 with Masked Bacon.